I'm in the mood for reading. Hey, how about you? This is Ms. Rosado, and I'm very happy to be able to be with you one more time this week as we read a book about There's a Bird on Your Head. Huh? Really? There's a bird on my head? No, there's a bird on Elephant's head. Look at that bird. Well, let's see what this book is about. So relax, and I hope you'll have some fun. There is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. Oh, look at those wonderful little birds. How many do you think there are? Let's start counting. I don't think we can count all of them, but let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we haven't even finished the first half of this page. Wow, those are a lot of birds. There is a Bird on Your Head. An Elephant and Piggy book by Willems. Elephant and Piggy look so relaxed and happy. But I see there's a bird that's flying down and... I have a feeling this bird is going to land on Elephant's head. Yes, definitely. The bird landed on Elephant's head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes! And you can see the bird staring at Piggy. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ugh! Uh-oh. You can tell that Elephant was not comfortable with this bird on his head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh no. Do you see what I see? Do you see 2 birds flying? And I think they're looking at Elephant's head. Now, there are 2 birds on your head. Uh-oh. I don't think Elephant looks happy. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They are in love. And look at that. I see a little heart. They do look very much in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? Oops. I see a lot of flying to and fro. It seems they're bringing something in their beaks. Can you guess what they're making on Elephant's head? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? Oh dear. When birds make a nest, I know what comes after. Do you? Let's see. Oh, look at that nest. And look at those 2 birds. But Elephant is very much afraid. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? And here's Piggy, and he's taking a look at the nest on top of Elephant's head, and I can see two birds. I can see 1, 2, 3 eggs. I'm almost afraid to turn the page. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Piggy has good news? Okay. Are you brave enough so I can turn the page? Let's see. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching! And I can see these 3 eggs and they looked cracked. That means they're hatching, which means that we're going to see little hatching. The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. We can see little birds. Can you count those 3 little birds on Elephant's head? 1, 2, 3. They look so cute. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh dear. I even see a worm flying in the air. Let's see what happens. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Asks them? Asks them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. See? Aw, there you have Mama Bird and Papa Bird taking their nest elsewhere. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. And Elephant looks very happy. You're welcome. Uh-oh. See where the nest landed now? Now it's Piggy's turn to have a nest with 3 little birds and 2 big birds. Did you like the story? I thought it was wonderful. See you next week, and think a little bit. Would you like to have a bird on your head? Ms. Rosado says goodbye.